Where the bloody hell have you been? Now, that's a rhetorical question, of course. I'm not asking you that. In fact, it's likely what you're thinking. Or you might not be. You've got your own life, a lot going on. Why do you care about me and my channel? No, in all honesty, it's the reason I'm recording this video is I appreciate that I've not released content in a while. You might be thinking, you might be a subscriber and be thinking, what's going on? What are the implications for you in Rank and Rent, or if you're considering Rank and Rent? So I thought it was only fair that I release this video to give you an idea of what's been going on and also what's to come. So there will be some announcements in this video. I do want to start with a partnership update because if you have been following this channel, the most recent content has been about the latest Rank and Rent partnership that I'd kind of publicly announced. So I want to share with you what's been going on with that because I think it's kind of important to see. Now I am going to open up the lead log here. Now I've stripped everything back. It's all personal information. I can't share this. It's not right. It's not legal even. So what I'm literally doing in here is I just want to kind of show you the trajectory of this partnership and the site. So imagine each of these lead dates. So obviously this has all got information. It's what I'm sharing with a business owner. But imagine these as an inquiry, if that makes sense. So everything in here is an inquiry. So yeah, if I just plug this in actually, because I should have done this before I started recording, but I want to show you the numbers basically. So it's about 6 months in at this point, and at this point we've generated 82 inquiries. So we're looking at, what's the average there? Get your calculator out, mate. We'll plug this in here. So what we've got, 82 divided by 6. Yeah, you're looking at about 13 on average a month. But I just want to draw attention to this one because we've had a really, really good month. You know, I think it was 23 in the end. Yeah, it was 23 in October, which was amazing. You know, the business owner before this didn't really have an online presence. So he literally kind of got over it. He keeps texting me saying, you know, how have you done this? He keeps referring me to other people and I'm picking up lots of business that way. So that's really important. And hopefully there's a lesson in that for you. But yeah, it's been amazing. And this is a partnership that is ongoing. We've got a lot of foundations in place now. And I don't see this. I think this is for the long term, 100%, but a really good relationship with the business owner. It's all looking good. Let's close it off. So that's kind of where I'm at with that partnership update. But I do want to give a business and personal life update because this has a lot to do with this channel, my reduction in posting and things like that. So I want to start with a personal update. I'm a father. I've got young kids. They're really young, and I've been spending a lot of time with them, and that has become such a focus for me. I realize they're only going to be young for a really short amount of time, and I want to make the most of it. So yeah, my time is been squeezed, and there's so much more to life than money, and that's a huge part of what's going to follow in this video and my decision. In terms of business, I'm still deep in the Rank and Rent model. I've been doing this for a long time, and I've got a lot of partnerships, and I've got a lot of rental sites that are just kind of trickling along, and you know, they've been built with kind of a historical view of what Google was like then. What I'm trying to say is Rank and Rent is still right for me. There's still a lot of opportunity for me. But I think if you're getting started with trying to make money online or digital marketing, I just don't know if it's the right avenue for you to start now. At the very least, I don't think it should be your sole focus. For me in my business, in fact, apart from all the kind of long-term partnerships and sites I have, it's now a service offering from many. It's not even something I offer to everyone. I'm very specific, and I have strict requirements for someone to kind of a business owner to be in line for it. So yeah, what I'm trying to say is I think, you know, the way Google's changed, the way technology's changed, it should definitely be a service, not your sole focus. And that has been on my mind. It's getting harder to do it the typical or the way that's been kind of taught, even that I've taught on this channel. I'm aware of that. So yeah, it is in my mind. And I think there's just so much opportunity, and Rank and Rent can be really tough, and it can be a bit of a slow burner, and you can invest a lot of money into it without getting anything back. And there's other business models where, or digital marketing services, or even services that you can offer local businesses where you're earning before you even invest or put any money in. So definitely consider those. That's what I'm trying to get at here. Like, at the end of the day, this channel was all about you and helping you. And it was trying to do so through the lens of myself. But I think it's only right, and at this point, that you understand that it's a bit different now, if that makes sense. So just on that, so about my course. So you might have signed up to my course, you might have been considering it. Basically, to cut a long story short, I say that, I'm going to keep talking and going into it because I can't help myself. This is meant to be a 2-minute video. I'm already probably at 6 or whatever. My course is not currently, it's not currently available to sign up and roll in. You can't get it now. Now, the reason I've done that is I only think it's fair and right that it's not available. It needs work. I don't follow that particular framework anymore. I mean, there's lots of it I do. I try to create that course with a lot more than just, it was all about building a site, but it was also about and ranking a site, but it was also about how to manage your business processes, how to think about things. There was a lot more to it, project management. There's a lot more to it than just rank and rent, and that there's a lot of value in that still. But I do think the kind of core framework, and it was built in a chronological way. So do this, then do that, then do that. And I think that's changed, and I don't follow that personally myself anymore. So it doesn't sit right with me to keep this course for sale as it currently is. It needs a lot of work, and I don't have the time to put in that work at the moment. So at the moment, the course is not available for sale. Any current students, there's still a lot I think you can learn from it, and it's still available to you. Now, in terms of my community, again, I'm locking that down. I'm not as active in there as I want to be, as it's fair for the community members. I am very considering changing it. So instead of it just being about rank and rent, making it a bit more broad, more about kind of having a digital marketing agency, offering different services to different local businesses. There's so much opportunity, and I feel like locking it down to rank and rent isn't right. I don't think it serves everyone. I feel like it stops conversation. And so I mean, we could still talk about rank and rent, but I think if I'm going to continue this community, it's going to be a lot more broad. But let me know if that's what you want. And I think this touches upon the last one, the future of this channel. Now, I've been in two minds just to shut it down. I think if I just disappeared, that would be odd. And I think I'd personally wonder, as a viewer or as a subscriber or anyone who's encountered this channel, like, what's happened to him? Like, it's a bit weird, unless it was like a personal circumstance where something horrific had happened. But I think I want to keep it going in some way, but I realize that if you've followed me, it's because of its rank and rent. So I don't just want to start shoveling content down your throat that's like not interesting to you. So please do let me know in the comment section down below. What do you want to see? Like, what kinds of content? Is it business processes? Is it how to talk to clients? Is it preparing things for clients? Is it overcoming objections? There's lots of different things that I can talk about that I'm using every day in my business. Different kind of models, like the SEO agency side of things, or, is it like a social media side of things? Is it web design? Like, let me know. I don't just want to start pushing out content like, this is how you do that in AI, because there's so much of it now. And I don't just want to be another channel. I don't just want to be like, at the end of the day, as I say, this is all to help you. It really is. I don't need the money from this channel, and I've not really earned that much from it. And that's not why I did it. I did it to give something back, but I'm at the point now where I just don't have the time. I'm too stretched in my business and personally. Just on that, I'm contemplating hiring people. So if you are looking for some kind of working arrangement, then perhaps you want to kind of send me a message, maybe visit the site, which is very different at the moment, the Rank and Rent site, and contact me. It's something that I am considering. So, I am stretched and I do need extra help. Obviously I'd need to kind of validate that you know what you're talking about and stuff, but we could always discuss that. But yeah, ultimately right now, this channel's just not, I don't think it's in anyone's interest for me to continue it. probably this video as well. I'm probably going on. I'm probably waffling, but yeah, hopefully it's been useful. I just think it's right. I think it's fair. I'm trying to be honest, transparent with you. I I'm interested to hear what you think. So please drop them down below. Um, and yeah, if you notice that videos on this channel have disappeared, it's because I don't think it's useful to you anymore. I'm not just going to leave them up. I just don't think that's right. Again, so yeah, you're probably only be this video on this channel at least until I start publishing again. But yeah, at the end of the day, I hope what I've shown you so far on this channel has been useful. I hope you've made progress. I hope you've actually got clients, like Rank and Rent clients. I hope you've got SEO partnerships. I hope you've made money through my content, or it's got you thinking in different ways. Um, but yeah, this is just not right for me anymore. Producing content for YouTube, the community, takes a lot of time, like it really does, especially if you want to do it well. And yeah, I'm not just about making money through courses and community. The cost of that was all to do with giving me the financial support to be able to dedicate to it, if that makes sense. Like I don't have the time to do it for free. It was all about compensating me for the time it takes. But at this stage, it's just not the direction I'm kind of want to go in. But yeah, I'm blabbing. So with that said, I hope you're all well, and I hope you have an excellent